Welcome to Mansions and Memorials with your host, James.
Hey everyone, we're at the Princess Margaret Home Lottery Fall 2025 in Oakville. And that, thankfully, isn't the house you're going to win, but it's right across the street. Take a look. It's like missing the half of this house or more. I don't understand that. It looks huge from the front, and then it's missing the whole back, like some kind of brain surgery where you take half the brain away. Frankenstein house. But anyway, this whole community is under construction. And here is the Princess Margaret house, fully ready for you to move in, win it, and move in. The home itself is about $6 million, but the total price, since it's furnished and everything, is $7 million. Now this is the garage. Is that a mirror garage? I think so. Kind of weird. I would switch that out pretty much right away. You also win $500,000 in cash. I like this driveway. A little more upscale than a gravel or just a tar. So that's kind of nice. Let's go in. Boom, here we are at the front. I always like to look at the front door. If I can get a nice shot of it. Ceiling. A little glossy on the ceiling. But the doors look very nice. Very rich. And over here we got some shelving right at the front. So you can put your key fob there, and when the burglar comes in, they'll be able to find it and take your car away without any problems in Ontario, Canada. But anyway, let's go in here and take a look. Big window. Looks like you can have a little sitting room with the fireplace here. And this is strange. The wall is glass, so you see through to like that elevator there. Kind of weird. I just paint that room. I don't like those murals. Let's go through to looks like a home office style with a fireplace again and a weird decoration. And your desk is suspended. It's coming from the ceiling, which is unique. And it looks like that might, on the ground, looks like it might be a pop-out. Yeah, pop-out electrical outlet for your charge up your laptop or computer while you're in there using it. And let's tell you a little bit more about this house. It's over 5,488 square feet of living space, fully furnished, of course, if you're not familiar with the Princess Margaret prizes. They come fully furnished, so everything you see in this house is yours if you win it. And again, the house alone is about $6.5 million, and the rest that makes it $7 million approx is everything else that goes into it. Again, well, that's really strange. Is that desk jetting out into both rooms, the hallway and the room? Guys, that's kind of messed up. I don't know. It's weird, right? But there's that elevator I mentioned that you can see through. And so that elevator goes to all three floors, all three levels, which is nice. If we go into the mudroom here, it's got a beautiful mudroom actually. If you have a pet, you can always give your little kitten a little bath in there. It's got the wand. Or washer dryer, little sit down space, and hang your jacket. And the garage door leads you to this is a 2-car garage, or 2-vehicle garage, I guess. Oh, look at this. You can see through. So on one side's a mirror, and the other side is see-through. I guess it brings a lot of light in, but I actually don't like that. I'd replace that. But that's just me. Epoxy floor, which is nice. It's done for you. And it's got an advanced You got air conditioning, heating, and also humidifier. So it's an advanced HVAC system throughout. Go back in, you get the pantry. This is behind the kitchen. Little secret room back here. So you can put in a little sink. A little circular window to see out to the backyard. Get some natural light into this pantry. And again, doors that take you to the kitchen. There's the hallway. The chef's kitchen, guys. See that little cupboard here? That marble slab shifts over so it covers it. So you don't see that spice rack at all. You got shelves and the window. Everything's glass so you can brings in more natural light. And you'll see you have a big Count Chocula cereal box up there blocking it. This also closes. See the cabinet here? That closes up so it keeps everything nice and clean looking. Hidden appliances. Very nice. I think that closes up too at the back. So it keeps everything nice and clean looking. You can throw a lot of junk in there and just close everything up. Nobody would be wiser. A lot of glass. This is like the house of glass mirrors or something. House of mirrors. Let's take a look outside. You got your pool, entertainment's kind of place right here on the outside. You can do an outdoor barbecue, of course, your TV for some sports or soap operas, whatever you're into. Coronation Street, maybe. Pool has a fence around it. I don't know if that's you have to have that or you can it's just for the purpose of the showroom. Safety or something. Maybe you can let me know. Beautiful fenced in already, which is nice. You don't have to bug your neighbors. Let's go in again. It's 4 bedrooms, guys. This home is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Now the property tax, you might be saying, okay, I won the house. Can I afford it? Well, the property tax, I'm going to say estimating $20,000 to $35,000 a year. I'm guessing, by looking at the other homes in the area. I mean, you could be paying up to $35,000 to the government. Of course, they take everything out of Canadians, even the wealthy. Which is pretty sad, right? I mean, like 35,000, imagine that. All taxes.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know about Oxio.ca, which is the home internet choice of James. You can get your first month free using the referral code RYMVMAG. I think you'll really love it. I'll leave the info in the video description and as a pinned comment for your reference. Now back to the video.
Isn't that worth $7 million? Just that alone. So to me, I don't really love the walls, like the murals and stuff throughout, like the brick thing. But like, look at this room. I don't love it. Like that ceiling would be a dust magnet. Look at that. It's like a spider room. Yeah, I would have to get rid of all that hanging garbage and just make it normal in there. Nice pool table though. And a gym. Pump it up. It's nice to have the home gym. Gonna take a look outside the sliding doors here of the basement. Got your own walkout to the backyard there. A little sitting spot with no protection, so if you want, maybe you can add an umbrella kind of for that part. I think that's what you need, is just at least a little umbrella stand there. Patio umbrella. Okay, let's a little nook in the corner near the stairs. Let's go up. All right, we made our way up. Again, you got this strange, like again, you might want to bring a paintbrush with you or something. This is okay. Nothing crazy in here, nice room. Looks like you got a closet here. A little tiny. Bathroom. There you go. That bedroom has its own little bathroom. Another bedroom over here. Same situation, I believe. Little desk. Little closet. And a bathroom. With a view of your driveway. Decent. What do you guys think? You can put in the comments. Do you like this home? What would you do if you want it? Would you keep it? Would you sell it? Get something more your taste? Like, I don't know this. I'm not loving that on the wall either. That's just me. There's quite a bit of changes I would do if I were to actually want to live in this house. It's got a nice ledge in the bedroom for your cats or your dog, your cuddle buddy, basically. It's a nice tub. You can get away if you stay in that toilet room. Double-sided fireplace over there. This is a boutique style walk-in. So it's like you're walking into your own Chico store, ladies. It's your own Chico store. All right. So that is the main deal, right? Washer dryer on the upper floor, easy access. If you remember, we also saw the same thing in the mudroom. So laundry will be very easy for you to do here. Well, I hope that was a good little overview of the $7 million Oakville show home in for the Princess Margaret Home Lottery. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.